Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. I'm reading a book. It's called Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, or Daniel Kahneman. I'd like to share with you just a few sentences out of the book, and I want you to keep these sentences in mind as you trade, as you think about trading. From page 62, a reliable way to make people believe in falsehoods is frequent repetition, because familiarity is not easily distinguished from truth. Now think about that when you're trading. Think of all the things you've been taught that don't turn out to be true. Now from page 110. A random event, by definition, does not lend itself to explanation, but collections of random events do behave in a highly regular fashion. Now, people discuss, is the market random? Is it not random? So I want you to think about that sentence as you trade. Okay? Now from page 115. Random processes produce many sequences and that convince people that the process is not random after all. I'll read that one again because I want this one to sink in. Random processes produce many sequences that convince people that the process is not random after all. Think about that. Furthermore, a little down the page, next paragraph on page 115, the widespread misunderstanding of randomness sometimes has significant consequences. Once again, the name of the book is Thinking Fast and Slow. What's this got to do with trading? Why would I do a video on this? It's because of all the things out there in the traditional trading education that are just flat out false. They don't make you money. You'll wind up losing your money. And that's why when I come up with systems, I use statistics to show that these systems work. These methods work. There's a lot of people out there say, well, how come you don't put up your statement? How come you don't do this? I've done all of that in the past. Back in my TradeStation days, you know, I'd post things. No matter what I posted, oh no, that's not good enough. And I finally said, no more, I'm not playing your game. I've already done a video on that before. But I came up with the buy zone. I have the statistics. There's plenty of people that write me and say, hey, you know, this is the only system that works for me. It's because it works. It works mathematically, it works geometrically, it works physically. You know, in the rat reversal, once again, the statistics are there. Now, whether or not you trade it profitably, that's up to you. I'm not there clicking the mouse, you are. Whether or not you can apply it, that's up to you. You might not see what I see. That's why I always have told people, and I teach, trade what you see. Because if you can't see it, then how can you trade it? Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's false. It just means you can't see it. There's a big difference there. So anyway, traders, really, I would say pick up a copy of this book and read it. In fact, the author even mentions the black swan in it. But pick up this book. I'll even put a link down below, make it easy for you to get it off Amazon. But the most important thing, traders, is it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it.